Hi, today our topic is top KPIs of distribution center in a supply chain. So let's see what are the major or key performance indicators we have to look for in a distribution center. Before discussing the top KPIs in a distribution center, let's first define what is a distribution center is. It is a warehouse or other specialized building which is stocked with products to be redistributed to retailers or to wholesaler or directly to the consumers. Basically, it is a major part of the order processing elements of entire order fulfillment process, and it can also be called a warehouse, a DC, a distribution center, a fulfillment center, a cross-dock facility, a bulk break center, or a package handling center. So in supply chain, the term distribution center is denote a node that furnishes coordination in a supply chain in the distribution system. Usually we use distribution center and warehouse in the same meanings, but actually they are different. So distribution center can be a warehouse, but a warehouse cannot be a distribution center simply. It does much more than what is associated with a warehouse. So distribution center is as the processes are more sophisticated as compared to the warehouse, and uh, so we are not going to use the distribution center and warehouse in the same meaning in a supply chain. After defining the distribution center and distinguish it from the warehouse, let's discuss the top KPIs of distribution center to watch within a distribution center. Basically, we are dividing these KPIs into three different categories. One is related to financial management or finance management, the other one is the inventory, and then third one is the customer service. So let's discuss one category and KPIs related to that particular uh, categories in next section. So let's first discuss those or talk about those KPIs which are directly related to the financial management. As we know, today's competitive business environment, keeping tabs on the company's financial health has becoming more and more important than ever. So issues like excessive account receivable float can impact the distributor's ability to operate efficiently and effectively. So to avoid these issues, we have to pay special attention to the following KPIs which are related to finance of a company or a business. So number one is collection time for accounts receivable. So we have to look at what how our account receivables are collected. Then sales and revenue performance, that how we are what is the volume of our sale and revenue. Then gross margin performance, then days sales outstanding, that how much our sale is outstanding, the number of days. Then working capital availability, then account payables turnover KPI, and then accounts payable turnover and inventory turnover. So these are basically few of the KPIs which are directly related to the financial health of an organization, and a distribution center is playing a very vital role in that. Okay, the next set of KPIs of DC is related to inventory management. Since we know that after labor's overhead, inventory is usually a distributor's biggest expense. Keeping it lean while also ensuring that always have the right product at the right time and at the right place can be difficult at the best. So we have to optimize our inventory management to have a healthy business. So to these are the few of the key KPIs to measure inventory management. So how we are managing our inventory, good or not good. So So number one is the inventory holding cost, that is called carrying cost. Inventory turnover rates, that how many time our inventory is turning around, and then average inventory, average days to sell inventory, that how much inventory we have to sell for the number of the days, then absolute inventory carrying cost or write-off cost, then order fulfillment rates, that how speedy we are filling the orders which we are receiving, then number of back orders, that and how many number of orders we have which those are in the back, so we didn't ship completely. So these are the things we managing the inventory. While we are managing the inventory, we have to look for these all KPIs. The third category of KPIs in a DC is customer management. So basically it's a customer relationship management. So having a complete picture of a customer all the way down to the invoice level enables businesses to truly maximize their selling opportunities. So these are the key points to measure may include to find out that how we are maximizing these selling opportunities. So number one is the volume of customers order and its frequency. Each customer, how much they are buying from us and how often they buy us. Average shipping times after receiving the order, how much time it will take to ship. Then delivery efficiency, that what is the cost of shipping and delivering to the customer. And then customers back order, like we have already discussed in the inventory management. So it is also very important that we have this indicator in customer service. Then time needed to fulfill the back orders, that if there is any back orders, that how much time it will take to fulfill that order. Then margin breakdown for individual customers, products and products categories or products line. So this is a analysis that we do, that what are the margin for our major customers or our products or products line, to find out also from this we can find if we have a high margin, we have to give more customer service. So this was a simple explanation or discussion about the KPIs of a distribution center. So I hope you have some idea about the KPIs, the top KPIs we have to look after while we are managing a distribution center in a supply chain management. Please, if you have any question, let me know, or you can write in the comment section. So I will be glad to answer those questions. Thank you for your time and listening.